Yay, we've arrived. And that was 7 hours and 15 minutes total. And because it was such an early start today, I didn't manage to get my morning coffee. I'm still craving it, so I'm gonna make my way to the nearest possible cafe. Maybe get like an iced one, because it's pretty warm here. It's definitely not like Delhi, and Jaipur was a little bit warmer, but not like this. This feels lovely. I want a swimming pool and some cocktails or something. The nearest cafe that I wanted to get coffee from, nearest to the station, actually didn't exist, so I walked for like 10 minutes for no reason, and there was nothing else around that area. However, I just want to get to my hotel, just going in an Uber. I think the driver was saying something about his brother's shop, and he said he's going to show me. I said no, just take me to the hotel. Let's see where I end up. I think he's calling his brother. Where are we going? Go up, around, boom? Yeah, around, yeah? Alright. Okay, boss. Yeah, we need to go like over that way, you know what I mean? But we could have just gone up this road here. But he hasn't, he's gone up, he's going around. I don't know where he's taking me. No, he's the local. I'm sure he knows the best route, less traffic. Yeah. Faster route, yeah? I'm really liking the vibes of this place already. The energy here is not crazy, you know. The traffic isn't bad. The roads are clean and they don't have any like potholes in and stuff like that. The sky is perfect blue. There's not a cloud in the sky. So yeah, I'm feeling really chilled here. I've only been here about 20 minutes, so. Oh, hello.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste. How are you? Good.
YouTuber. Good. Oh, wow.
Good. Doing YouTube. Yeah.
Where are you from?
England.
Okay. Where about? London?
Near London.
London.
Yeah. You from here? Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
thank you.
How is your day?
It's good. Just want to go to the hotel. Yeah.
Okay. So where do you have to go?
Sorry?
Where do you like to go?
Where would I like to go?
Yeah.
I've got the destination here on the Uber.
Not here.
No, I know. He's brought me to
on
here.
the way.
Yeah.
But, he's my small brother.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Maybe see you later.
Yeah. I'm a tailor here.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
I can see your carpets and stuff.
The best exotic hotel Marigold. You know the best exotic hotel Marigold? The Judy Dench.
I know, yeah. I know here. Of. I haven't watched it, but
the shoot was here.
Yeah, okay.
I made a beautiful jacket for her. And also the Richard Gere.
Richard Gere
was here.
Shop's here, really?
I have a photo with him.
What's it called? Fabric House.
Fabric House.
House of Textiles.
Yeah, like to see my place?
Bandhani House.
Yeah.
Not right now. I've just been on a train for 8 hours, so
okay,
want to go to the hotel.
I like to make something so we can make 2 hours.
When?
2 hours for make nice shirt, for jacket, for boys.
You want me to buy a shirt?
Yeah.
A jacket?
Yeah.
Not right now.
For 2 hours.
Not right now.
I can make and deliver to the hotel.
Maybe later.
Yeah. I have some beautiful scarf for your girlfriend and for your mother.
Okay.
For your. Can I show you?
Now?
Yeah, I have. This is my place.
No, I want to go to the hotel. I just booked the Uber to the hotel.
Okay, Patia, yes.
So it's
okay. Just on the map. It's A to B. It's if you have maps,
go
yeah.
With him.
Yeah, I'm with him. I booked the Uber with him.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Whenever you want, you can come back.
See ya.
Okay, wow.
Have a good day. So we just stopped and we can't actually go through. The cars aren't allowed in the old city, so yeah, just gonna wait for my change and eventually.
Sir, what is your bill?
You don't have on the app?
No.
You don't have? Oh.
Just show you.
All right. You ended it. It's 120 is the bill. Yeah, he's ended it already. I'm not sure why. Let's just see. 166 now. How is that? That's not right. That was 120 before.
180. 180.
No, it was 120 to start with. Now it's saying 166. I think he's just put the price up on there. Yeah, well, to start it was 120.
120.
120, yeah.
They show you 180.
No, it's changed. Yeah, it was like 116. It was, I remember. 116.
100?
It was 116 to start with.
Okay.
Yeah. So just round it to 120. So 380.
100 rupees you are.
That's weird. That's never happened before. Okay, 350, 60, 70. All right, boss. Thank you very much. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
That's so weird. Yeah. Very, very odd, that is. And he's giving me the change of what it originally was, 120 anyway. Okay, see you. I found coffee, thank God. About 7-8 hours too late, but it is seriously delicious. I've only had one sip of it and it's very strong as well. It's not an Americano, that's more of a quadruple espresso or something. Wow, that coffee was amazing and only £1. Pretty cheap. I'm absolutely loving this place already. It's really, really nice. Still a little bit of hassle here and there. People always asking you where you going, where you staying. Same old stuff. So this is Lake Piccola. I think that's what it's called. Check it out. Beautiful mountains in the distance. Yeah. So yeah guys, proper chilled. I can't wait to check in, check out my room, see what it's like. So no lake view, but the room is sufficient. There was about 1 million cushions and pillows on there, which I hate, so I'll just throw them all over there. It's a good sized room, good sized bathroom. Let's head out and grab some food. I'm pretty hungry now. It's now about 5:30, 5:45, and yeah, the sun should be setting soon. Hopefully I'll get like a nice view. But oh, actually, if we get onto a rooftop, we'll see the sunset. But not from here. I'm starving though, so food is coming up first. Let's have a wander around and see what we can find. It says Udaipur, welcome to the city of lakes. We've got a temple to the left, 700 meters, Hanuman Ghat. Just listen to that. Just listen. It's the sound of not Delhi. Where am I going? It's just a construction site here. I don't know whether we can get through, probably. Yeah, it looks like we can. Sort of. Can go? Yeah? Okay. What's over there? Is that like another lake? Let's have a peek. Oh, oh wow. Yeah, so maybe I'm going to walk around. And yeah, that'll be nice. A little walk in the sun with the mountains in the distance. Let's get out of this, whatever this is. I don't know what to call it. Sorry. Well, check that out. That's pretty beautiful.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello. What is it? What's inside? Oh my word. It's okay to go in.
No.
Go, yeah? Okay, thank you. Yeah, it's all like individual kind of, I don't know what material that is. I think it's oil paints actually. He said that I can come in here. Now that's a tree. What did this place used to be? I could see a flipping swimming pool over here. Sorry, we're just going a bit sidetracked here. When I go to new places, I just wonder. This has been an old hotel, I think. It must be. All right, let's continue around again. Not a lot to see here, except for this awesome tree. This is, wow, slippery. Glad I didn't bring my flip-flops out. Oh, he did. Old, new. Look at that cute little door. The horns on the cows here are immense. Check them out. Hello, hello. I'm not sure if you can see, but check out the palace that's up there. That looks absolutely amazing. Wow. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is like the main palace and the center area here in Udaipur. But it looks like something extremely extravagant.
Hello, Espanol?
We've come up to the palace entrance already. It's not that far. It looked seriously far from when we were on the bridge, but no. Probably leave that for another day though, because now my mission is food. That's what I want. So I might go for this place. To be honest, it looks pretty good. They've got a bunch of different things. Some rice dish and samosas, pakodi, mircha vada, aloo vada, dal pakwan. Sounds good, and I'm really hungry now, so I'm just gonna chill here next to the cow, get my eat on. We got coffee for 30. Hulad coffee, that's cheap. Oh, they do pasta and stuff as well. Don't want pasta though. Momos, tandoori. Oh, paneer, cheese tikka, tandoori momos. Okay, paratha. Do you have this stuff like pakodi? Pakodi? You have aloo vada? You have all, yes?
Yeah.
You do, okay, great. Can I have one pakodi?
Good morning. Please.
Oh.
Samosa is kachori. Dal pakwan.
Katori.
Kachori, samosa is dal pakwan.
Poha? In the morning. Oh no, they finished with most of the stuff. It's morning food, yeah? Not for dinner.
This is best clothes. These clothes.
Okay, all right. Okay, so you what do you have?
Samosa, kachori, dal pakwan.
Dal kachori?
Yeah, dal kachori.
You have dal kachori. Okay. Oh, I don't know. I had dal kachori, I think, like a couple of days ago. Oh, I'll just get whatever it brings me. I can't be bothered anymore. Oh, yeah. Okay. Is it okay to come up? Come to show? Let's see. Oh.
This kachori.
Kachori.
This samosa.
Okay, how much?
40 rupees.
40. Okay. And what's this?
This dal papad.
Dal
This
popo.
papad. This inside dal.
Oh, the dal. Okay, can I have... oh no, what's this? Can I have some of this?
This poha.
Yeah, can I have?
This is hot no.
Cannot have, no?
But no, it's cold. Cold.
Oh, it's cold. All right, okay. So
Also, it's finished.
with some dal, yeah? Some
Yeah.
dal. This. Okay. Let's just grab that.
This.
Oh, that's the dal, yeah.
This.
Great.
Lemon sweet.
Thank you. All right.
Lemon sweet chutney.
That'll do. Looks good. Too hungry to mess around. My table. Okay. Thank you. So 20 rupees each for the samosa and this dal kachori. I think he said it was, right? Try that. Oh my word. Yeah, it's got sweetness to that. And those like mouth refresher like seed things. It's like tiny little bit aniseed flavour. Alright, my third samosa of today. Staple food here. It's alright. It's been sitting around for a while. Let's try this. No, I have no idea what's inside. Maybe similar to samosa. I'm going to dip it in this as well because that is pretty good. Oh wow. Unexpected. Spicy. Wow. It's got like this kind of weird filling, like brown and then seeds as well. Yeah, spice heavy. I'm gonna put a bit of this, like kind of scoop it up. Very good. 40p dinner. But not the healthiest dinner. Well, might be husband and wife, those cows, playing with each other. Okay, so yeah, that's 40 rupees, 40p. And I'm really full actually, you know, it's heavy food. The kind of pastry of them. It's cows everywhere. I couldn't resist. I'm getting some panipuris. How can I not? Every time I see them, I have to eat them. Oh my god. Indescribable, and wow. Dancing food. Oh no, he's completely overflowed that one. What's this? Tikki. Tikki. That is tikki. Oh, that one. The dry one. Oh no. Actually, there's like liquid in this. I've never had like the final one. Liquid, it's usually like a dry thing. Oh dear. No, so good. So as of now, I'm really enjoying Udaipur. It just has a real charm to it, you know, like small alleys. There's this temple up here, even it's called a temple, I'm not sure. It's just a really nice place. So I want to say thanks for watching, and whatever you do, stay tuned. It's going to be a bunch more vlogs coming up here in Rajasthan. So thank you again, everyone. And of course, peace out.